So today I'm going to explain the code of this game called Eureka Eureka. It is my project from White Hat Junior. So let's begin. So this game is about a great scientist named Archimedes, and he discovered that how things sink and float. So now let's begin with the code. So over here it is when run. When run means that when I'm going to press this button run. Make a new sprite called Apple with costume the apple itself. So in my previous videos I always used this block to make new sprite, but this time I am using this block because if I name it called Apple, I can use this same apple over here, the name, for multiple blocks. Like it is set apple to the size of 250. So I can just put this block. I don't have to put this image of the apple. So I'm just going to delete this block over here. Okay, it is make a new sprite called Apple with costume this at 55,364. So if you know, it is the so X is the horizontal line and Y is the vertical line. So it is like this, and 55 is that it means that 55 for the horizontal line and 364 for the vertical line, which is X and Y. Then it is set apple to the size of 50. So set apple. So for here I named my sprite, which is the apple. I named it apple only. So it is, so when I go to the sprites section, I first put this block over here, make a new sprite called my sprite with costume this. So I can just do make a new sprite called my sprite. Then I have to do rename this sprite, and I can rename it to any name like so on, and I can just, that is it. And then when I go to sprites once again, over here there is this block. Over here it is my sprite. So whatever name I actually do, like apple, so I can use this block for the particular action of the sprite. So I'm just going to delete this block as well. So I have done this with a multiple of sprites, which is apple and car and stone and carrot and pencil and a drilling machine. So okay, so now over here I come to the events over here, and events are all the blocks which are always colored green. So over here it is when the apple is going to be clicked, sprite begins the apple and a float edit. So I actually created this behavior, and I'm going to tell you how to create a behavior. So first you have to go to the behavior section, and you have to click on this block, which is create a behavior. And then when you click on the block create a behavior, over here it is name your behavior and do something like it is that, like that. And over here I have created this behavior, so I'm going to tell you the code for this behavior. It is so I have named this behavior a float. Move this sprite 1 pixels north, turn the sprite right by 1 degrees, and edges block the sprite from moving. So this means a flow. So move this sprite 1 pixel to north. If I also wanted, I could also put the name like apple, but I did it this sprite because then only of all the sprites which are named apple, only this code would only be usable for them. So if we do this sprite is going to be used for any sprite. So it is move the sprite 1 pixels to north. Pixels are steps, and then turn the sprite right by 1 degrees, and edges block the sprite from moving. So edges block the sprite from moving means that the sprite is not going to move out of the screen. So this is the code for the float behavior, and like this I have done. And then over here it is also show title on the screen. Title is floating. So over here I have also done sprite begins carrot. So carrot. So I have also created a sprite. So as I have done above, that set drilling, set pencil to the size of 250. So I have also took the use of the same block over here, and it is set apple, sprite is apple and begins afloat, and it is show title on the screen and title is floating, and it is when carrot is clicked, sprite begins carrot, and then show title on the screen floating. So it's like that only. So like that it is for the carrot, apple and pencil. Now we come to all the heavy things, and it is when the car is clicked, the sprite, which is the car, begins sinking. So I also created this behavior sinking, and then you again click on over here, create a behavior, and now I'm going to tell you the code for the sinking behavior. So the code for the sinking behavior is move the sprite to 10 pixels north. So this sprite, which is the car, will start moving 10 pixels to, sorry, it is south. It will start moving to 10 pixels to south, and edges block the sprite from moving. So it is so this sprite is again used for the particular sprite for which we are going to use the code, and it is edges blocked, so means the sprite is not going to move out of the screen. So it is like that, and it is show title on the screen. Title is going to be sinking, and subtitle is all the text, but I have not put any subtitle over there, and title is sinking. And like this I have done it for the car, stone, drilling machine, and that's it. And that's the code for this game and project from White Hat Junior called Eureka. And that's it for today.